It's January 27th, 2015, and there's my awesome neighbor, Chris Huff, with the snowblower coming through in the clutch. What a guy. I'm telling you, saving me a lot of work today. He took a great photo of me a couple of years ago during the blizzard that I have as my profile picture on Facebook today, and I thought I'd return the favor by not only getting a picture of him with the snowblower, but of him blowing the snow with the blower. And I think he just looked over and waved at me. Anyway, that's the blizzard of 2015 in a nutshell.